Understanding food labels, low sugar versus sugar-free.
When shopping for healthier foods, labels like low sugar and sugar-free can be confusing. These terms don't mean the same thing, and understanding the differences can help you make smarter choices for your diet and wellness. Let's break down what each label actually means and what to look out for.
What does low sugar really mean?
A low sugar label means the product contains less sugar than the standard version of that food, but it still has some sugar. In the United States, there is no official FDA definition for low sugar. Manufacturers use this term to indicate a reduced sugar content, so always check the nutrition facts for exact amounts.
What does sugar-free actually mean?
When something is labeled sugar-free, it means the product contains less than 0.5 grams of sugar per serving. This includes both naturally occurring and added sugars. However, sugar-free products can still contain artificial sweeteners or sugar alcohols, so it's important to read the ingredient list if you're sensitive to these.
Watch out for hidden sweeteners.
Many low-sugar and sugar-free foods use substitutes like aspartame, sucralose, or sugar alcohols to provide sweetness. While these can reduce overall sugar intake, some people may experience digestive discomfort or prefer to limit artificial additives. Always read both the nutrition label and ingredients list to make informed decisions.
Smart shopping tips.
Don't rely solely on front-of-package claims. Check the nutrition facts for total sugars and added sugars, and scan the ingredients for sweeteners. Consider your personal health goals when choosing between low sugar, sugar-free, and regular products. Understanding these labels can help you better manage your sugar intake and support your overall wellness.